Hello friends! Celebrate International Women's Day with a special paper craft frame filled with colorful stars. This craft is a great way to show appreciation for the special women in your life, whether it's your mom, your daughter, your aunt, or any other amazing woman. The craft is easy to make, and all you need is some colorful paper, scissors, and glue. This simple craft is a great way to show your appreciation and celebrate all the wonderful women out there. Best DIY paper frame for gifting. Creating a paper craft frame filled with paper stars is the best DIY project you can try. It is simple to make and can be used to decorate any room or gift to someone special. Start by making 3D stars of same sizes and different colors from paper and arranging them on the frame as shown in the video. Finally, your DIY craft is ready. You can hang the craft in a prominent place to celebrate Women's Day in style. This is an ideal craft for both kids and adults. With just a few simple steps. Hope you like this tutorial. Thanks for watching the video.